and welcome to FE Trick Videos. We are going to explain some fast and easy tricks here. And here we go with a fantastic tutorial about iPhones, which you can record videos secretly for your TikTok challenges or YouTube videos or everything which you need. I'm going to introduce to you 3 ways for capturing videos on the slide. Alright, in the first approach, you must go to the camera and then to the video section, and then go to the home screen. Now you must go to the notification bar right here and drag it to the left. Next, you should tap the volume up or down for recording the video and drag it to upside and hold it. Now you're recording the video, and if you release it, you will stop the recording. Here you can see the video that we just recorded. In the second approach, you must go to the camera and then video section again and start recording the video. Then go to the app switcher of your phone and hold on there and just drag your finger to the left and right, and if you open one of the apps or click on the free space of the app switcher, you will stop the recording like this. And here is the video which we just recorded. The third method is a little complicated, so pay close attention so you can understand everything. You must go to the setting, then accessibility, and choose the accessibility shortcut. And click on the voiceover and turn it on if it isn't already. Then you must turn on the silence mode and put the volume all the way down. Next, you must go to the camera and video section and tap the power button for 3 times. You can see the accessibility shortcut here. Turn on the voiceover. Now if I want to explain the voiceover option quickly, I can say that you should tap everything that you want for 2 times. So now you should tap the record button for 2 times in order to record the video. Then you should tap your screen with your 3 fingers and for 3 times. It's a little hard, but don't worry about it, you can do it. Now you can see that your screen is black and it's still recording. For stopping this video, you must tap 3 times again with your 3 fingers and tap the record button for 2 times in order to stop the video. Now for leaving the voiceover section, you must tap the power button again for 3 times and drag the rectangle to the down and tap the voiceover twice. Now you disable the voiceover and you can see the recorded video here. If you feel like you're confused, just watch this section again so you can understand it better if you couldn't catch it in the first time. Just a quick note here, please don't use this trick for abysmal aims. I thought a lot about benefits of this trick, but I couldn't reach any positive consequences. However, please do it in the right way. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope that it has been very practical for you. If you have any questions, please leave that question in the comment section and I'm going to answer every single one of them. And just please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notifications. Have a good day. See you in the next video.